Well, Vanessa just got back with the truck. She stopped by the shop for me and picked up something that's going to make this a lot easier. Since I've decided to build this here instead of the shop for convenience, just, working out of the house, well, let me just show you. My rolly cart. This thing is incredibly convenient. I keep my tools on it and I keep moving around from spot to spot, and it's just nice to have everything right next to me. It's not quite like a mobile work bench with wheels, although that, I don't know, might have to work that into the system. My gosh, this ear plug keeps getting on my arm and I keep thinking it's a cockroach or something. I'm freaking out, man. Golly. And God, it's a cloudy day and it keeps getting sunny and not sunny, and so the settings on the camera need to be changed. So I can keep things like, my drills and my drivers and fasteners and, well, I mean, you get it. And a hammer. And although this thing was definitely not made for rough surfaces, more for shops and long term, if you're on a job site, this is a great thing to have. It doesn't fold down, but it keeps my tools next to me, and I'm not running around from one work bench to another, forgetting where I put everything. And I don't like to wear tool bags, so there's that. So all this thing, what?